Let's see how to install new fonts for our Adobe Acrobat. Go to your computer browser and open this website dafont.com. In this website, you have to find out the font that you want to install. Let's download this Ring Angel font. Once the font downloaded, going to my file explorer and just making this font folder unzip. Now it's time to install the font. So open the font folder, double click on this font, click on install, and the font will be installed on your computer. After that, you have to exit your Adobe Acrobat and relaunch your Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF file and click on edit PDF. Select the text where you want to add the new font, and here click on this font drop down. And in this list, you have to find out the font you just installed. So my font name is Ring Angel. So here I'm just going to R Serial. And here we can see the Ring Angel font. So that's how you can actually install and use font in Acrobat.